So yes, we are almost done. Now we are at part I. We're almost done. This is amazing. I'm proud of you. You've been doing good. So here is the limit as h goes to 0. Remember to try it first, okay? Of 3o over the square root of 3h plus 1, then plus 1. So you get a fraction. You don't panic, okay? We don't panic when we get whatever they give us. What is the first thing we do when we are solving these limits? You try substitution, my friend. Try to put 0, because we are going towards 0, right? So try to put 0 wherever there is h. If I put 0 here, it'll be the square root. I try in the denominator. I try to put it in the denominator, and I see if my denominator will be 0. So it's going to be the square root of 3 by 0 plus 1, then plus 1. 3 by 0 is 0. Plus 1 is a 1, so it's the square root of 1 plus 1. The square root of 1 is 1, plus 1 is going to be 2. That's not a 0. So that means I can do substitution. So I just go ahead and I do substitution. It's going to be 3 over the square root of, we say 3 by 0 plus 1, and then a plus 1 outside. So this is going to be equal to 3 over 3 by 0. This is now the square root of 3 by 0 is 0. And you say plus 1, and you put a plus 1 outside. This go to 3 over the square root of 0 plus 1 is 1, then it's a plus 1, which is equal to 3 over 1 plus 1. Because the square root of 1 is 1. Okay, and this is becoming 3 over 2. And here you have it. That is what you have. Okay, but I know that the other thing I would love to see, just be careful when you're solving this to make sure that you do not get caught up in this, okay? Just be careful to make sure that you don't get confused. Just try to do the substitution, then you go to the other one. You're like, you may say to me, but come on, there is a square root here. Are we not supposed to do the rationalizing? No, we rationalize. You see the question, it is the one in part J where the numerator has the root, okay? With whether the square root or the cube root or whatever. So we rationalize when the root is in the numerator, okay? That is what we do. So this is where you have it. Here we have it in the denominator. Just usually you won't be having it go to 0. So when it's in the numerator, that's usually the question, okay? Whatever, you just test first, okay? Whatever it is, whether it's denominator or numerator, just test first, okay? Test first and see if you can substitute. If you can't, then you try other methods. If there's a square root sign, then obviously we'll be rationalizing. So now let's go to part J. Goodbye for now. We'll meet in the next one.